Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. And this is the first. So, for the first, I will introduce myself. So, I am Muhammad Fauzan and my friend is Yazidan Akbar. So, in here we want to describe about characteristic from August Flash movie. So that the character that we describe is Augustus itself. In movie, his name is Ivan. Jadi, so pertama kali, first kami akan we will describe from the physical describe. Mungkin maybe first, Yaziran, you can tell about the physical description.
Okay. I will explain physical describing about main character is August Rush. He is short and has blonde hair and then blue eyes and maybe and then white skin.
Oke. I will ya sedikit menambahkan dari si Evan or the main character is always wearing a jacket whenever he go, and then he skinny too, not fat enough. Okay, next we describe about name analyze from that movie. So the movie, the August Rush itself. So the first starting, I think starting from the bit of music that even play, and then in my opinion, we know in Indonesian the rush itu sendiri seperti cepat atau ngebeat banget gitu. So why the penulis atau apa itu memberi give the movie that August Rush itu from that event itself, the way he play his music. That's all I think.
And then mungkin in my opinion, August Rush didapat dari when Evan or August was talking with a wizard, and then wizard saw a truck passing on the street with a billboard on the side of the truck that read the name of Evan, some Evan. Name is Evan is August Rush. I think for me August Rush is from that.
Okay, that's from us that about name analysis. So next we move to attitude. Attitude from the main character, for me, dia cukup tangguh, orang yang cukup tangguh dengan pendiriannya sendiri. Jadi no matter what other people do, he will always stand by his own stance. We can approve that from the scenes at beginning. Jadi di awal cerita, when he is bullied by his friend, that scene, his friend to tell who want to tell him to say can't, but he still say can. So we can describe that si Evan sangat teguh dengan pendiriannya sendiri gitu. Oke, mungkin Dadang.
Okay. For me, the attitude of August Rush is he very easy to interact with everyone he meets. He can talking with a new person, uh, and when he meets a person in the street or wherever he come, or easily he's so friendly to all people he meets.
Okay, that's all from attitude. So we move to dialogue. Dialogue bisa dari Dadang dulu. Mungkin.
Yeah, I will explain dialogue in perspective August Rush. He has a, I think he has a distinctive tone of voice or datar, uh, or in during the film he doesn't really rise or lower his voice significantly. Jadi si August Rush ini tidak begitu signifikan menaikkan atau menurunkan his tone of voice. I think that's it from me.
Okay, thank you, Dadang. So you know the way he is talking when he talk. I think from the way he talk, there's a serious person that we can prove it by the way he talk itself. And from him, he will do anything according to his word. Jadi dia akan melakukan apapun sesuai dengan keinginannya atau sesuai dengan what he say. Jadi apa yang sesuai dengan apa yang ia katakan. Okay, next we move to thought atau pemikiran. Maybe Dadang, can you explain?
In Toph, dan mungkin sedikit menambahkan, I think in the beginning to the end of the story, August Rush always believed that music can lead him to meet his parent, and he has been looking for.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sedikit juga menambahkan, I think even itself about Agus Rush itu sendiri, he always wherever he go, he always hear about music. So apapun yang dia lakukan, apapun yang sedang dia dimanapun dia selalu mendengarkan itu semua seperti musik. Jadi dia merasa sangat tenang gitu. He feel like calm. Okay, next we move to reaction of others. Okay, first from the how even to react of other. First, I think that we know in scene that he getting a new name for Agus Rush that given by Wizard itself. So we can know from his face he looks so happy to hear the name, to hear that name. That so when she got the news that was given, he has the opportunity to show in the event. So and then I think from his face too, he felt quite confident. Okay.
Mungkin I will menambahkan sedikit. In the scene when August Rush or even talking to Jeffries at the beginning of the story, August at first felt sad because of Jeffries' explanation. But when Jeffries explained it more detail, what he wanted to do for August, and then August immediately felt so touched by Jeffrey's word. Jadi August merasa terharu dan apa yang diungkapkan oleh Jeffries.
Okay, thank you, Dadang. So we move to action. We know action itself is how the main character to reaction again that from another people. Jadi bagaimana aksi yang yang dilakukan setelah dia mendapatkan apapun dari orang lain. So the first there is the scenes when Ivan talk with his father or Louis, that which made him feel excited to show in Ivan. Even though before that he didn't want to show himself to that Ivan, but from the after he is talking with his father, he come back to want to show himself to that to even that to given to August itself.
Nothing from me.
Okay. We move to physical or emotional set. So I think for the first we know in physical setting the place that wizard place, we know that place like theater. So I think August feel like dia sangat semangat atau sangat gembira lah. That he know wizard place itu seperti teater, mungkin bisa untuk lebih membuat event atau si Agus itu lebih bersemangat untuk mendalami musik. And we know from that even the first time to playing guitar in that place. So I think dia sangat bersemangat karena setting place yang ada atau physical setting yang ada itu seperti teater, tempat teater gitu. And then in the park that when he see another children with his parents, that so like feel happy. But I think from the event itself, he think why he don't get the kayak tidak ada di sana gitu, tidak bersenang-senang bersama dengan orang tuanya gitu. Jadi bisa dibilang emosional yang tertampil pada setting tersebut dia sangat mungkin sad atau sedih lah gitu, karena without person in his side.
I want add more opinion, but not in August perspective. I want to add from another character. She is a mother of August, is Laila. Laila find out that her son was actually still alive, and she immediately felt very excited because she was finally able to try to meet her son. Jadi ketika Layla know his son was actually still alive from her father yang berbohong pada sebelumnya. Layla immediately felt very excited karena dia akhirnya bisa bertemu dengan anaknya yang hilang. Maybe that's it.
Okay, thank you, Zidan, Dato Dodang. Okay, that's all from our description about event itself or Agus itself from the Agus Rush movie. So I think it's enough from us. I hope you guys can understand what we want to talk. Maybe that's all from me. Dadang, ada yang ingin tambahin?
Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye guys.